Hello guys, Boom here. I got two unboxings for you. One is Elmo and Friends, and the one I did not get for Easter. The Easter Bunny said he's sorry for not replying back to my message. The SpongeBob SquarePants 10 Happiest Moments. This is so cool. I'm gonna unbox the Elmo and Friends one first. So that was easy. Easier than I expected. Here's the disc. That's a... Well, let me get... Never mind. SpongeBob 10 Happiest Moments. I'm gonna have to hold this one still! Which it doesn't want to hold still. Listen to me. Really? Oh crap! Oh crap, it's opened! What? I was jealous because... No, I don't want to explain it in this freaking video. Open! Ugh, my God, this movie. This dumb plastic will not come off. Finally! Jeez. That was hard. Come on. I said I was going to order this, but the Easter Bunny decided, I might as well reply back to the message. But it's fine. The back. Is there more plastic on there? I don't think so. Holy crap. Here's the disc. Wow, look at that disc. Yes, so that's all for this one. Thanks, Easter Bunny, for getting this, and I'm going to get this uploaded. Bye. Oh, really?